Hey you guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I have this Louisiana cutout for you guys today that I'm going to paint. I'm going to go in first with my number 12 flat from my brush pack and the color Lucky Lavender, and I'm going to paint my Louisiana background. And you guys, the brushes, the paint, the cutout, the Sharpie marker that I'll use later on, it's all available on buildacross.com. I'm going in now with the color Barn Red, which is my favorite red, and I'm painting my crawfish. And next I'm going to go in with the color Buttercream for my Pelican. And again, if you guys have any questions, just feel free to ask us below in the comments, and we will get back to you guys as soon as we can. Once I'm done base coating my Pelican, I'm going to blend a little bit of the color Pinecone through him. Anytime I'm blending, I'm just going to blend it, just go over my brush with it several times until I'm happy with the way it looks. And then I'm going to go in and paint my fleur-de-lis in the color Colonel Mustard. And surprisingly, I use this color Colonel Mustard all the time. It's especially really good for like teacher door hangers. Anytime I paint the crayon box or the pencil, this is the color I would grab. And then once I'm done base coating, I'm going to let everything dry. And then I'll go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and outline everything. And once I'm done outlining, like always, I will go in with my number 4 round and the color Cotton, which is Dixie Belle's Whitest White. And I will highlight everything. I just like this step because I feel like up against the kind of sharper, harsher black outline, it kind of softens everything and brightens it up. And then once I'm done with that,